Hello everyone and welcome. I forgot to do an intro before I left, but I've just got back. It's about 1 and I went to Roker, went to Park, St Andrew's Church, tried to go to All Saints. Anyway, you'll find out. I'll leave it there and I will come back at the end. So enjoy. Hello. Oh, morning. It's 9:30 and oh, there's a bump. I thought I'd show you this on the way. That sun's proper, like proper winter blinding. I thought I'd show you this on the way, to Roker. So this is this is at the side of Tesco. So the graffiti spray paint artist is called Eyes, which you can see in the castle. And there's like little fish. And now I'm blind again because the sun's proper in your face. The wine glass. Move on to guy was just an eye. I can't see what that says. And it's just eyes. And then the pink crew mastiff, apparently. She's got the pink panther on. She's very good. Very good pink panther. And then move on to I'm blinded again to some I really like this stuffy dog. I think that's good. It's a very good picture. Another one-eyed dude. I'm really good at this explanation, Marina. And that's it. Right, so I'm on my way around. The first place I'm going to go, I think, is the All Saints Church, which you can see the back of there. So I'm going to go around and have a look, and then I will get back to you. Well, I was going to show you the church, but it's locked. The gates are locked. Right, that's about as much as I can show you. This is All Saints. This was the church that my auntie's funeral was held at last month. So as you can see, it's easy for me to get in. Well, when it's open it is anyway. But I'll let you know when year it was built and all of that stuff. And I'll move further on while the traffic's behind us because it's pretty noisy. So this is Roker Methodist Church. That green bit there, you can see, is the park, Roker Park. That's a white van, man. Again, I don't know much about the history. The one thing I noticed is just that there's loads and loads of churches, like loads. Maybe every area is like that. It's like every corner you go to, there's another church of some description. In fact, I'm going to show you another church in a bit. So, yeah, I will let you know if I find anything out. So I made it up to St Andrew's Church. Now this is on a bit of a bank, so I kind of I came an odd way. Right, I need to find a way in. Oh, that scraped my thing. Scraped the footplate because of the steepness. Just have to see what it looks like. Oh, yay. Massive in the air, isn't it? God, it's a bit bumpy. It is on like the side of a bank. Oh God, I hate being up like weird angles. Actually, it's quite steep up and back down. This is St Andrews. I'm going to try and take some footage from the other side, go back out, I think. Hopefully, anyway. It's really covered by trees. There's like loads of them. I'm going to go up there. See the towery bit? Whatever the towery bit's called. It looks proper autumn, doesn't it? With all the leaves. I was trying to think what they were called. I don't like being up this side of things because I just feel like I'm on an angle which is not good. Right, I think you can get in this way. See what it's like. I'm sorry, like all you can see is the edge of a wall. Like you can't see it there. It's still mostly an edge of a wall. It's pretty noisy, isn't it? This is better. It's flatter. Oh. Heights of things are like, it's really, you can see the stained glass on there, the stained glass window. It's pretty cool, isn't it? It's really big, this, like. That's it. The inscription on the stone, a copy of which is shown below, was executed by Eric Gill, a celebrated type designer of the period whose typefaces are still widely used by the printing and associated industries. Eric Gill died in 1940 at the age of 58. This stone was laid by Mrs. John Priestman on the 12th day of June in the year of our Lord, 1906. So I'm guessing this was built then. Maybe. I wonder what them are for. Do you think that's how they got? It's like water pipes, isn't it? I don't know. Maybe I'm just guessing. I was guessing anyway. That rag and bone man shouting. Did you hear that? It's not doing it now. Flowers are pretty and stuff. It's really nice around here, isn't it? Madness. that archway. It's very picturesque. It says 1914 in memory of those who fell. 1914, 1919. That was put there for the First World War. It's pretty, isn't it? Anyway, I'm gonna go down towards the park, so I will be back in a bit. So that's the top end of Roker Park. There's loads of building and roadworks further down, as you can hear. Hopefully you can hear me over them. The little train that goes round there every year, which is pretty cool. I always remember it from being a kid. So, welcome to Roker Park. I've never come in from this angle because I haven't been at the top before, but it's the little train railway that I was talking about, just from the other side. I don't know when it was like a seasonal thing, because we used to have like lights. We used to have the Sunderland lights that used to come on, so it would come on, it would be on with them, and I think in the 6 weeks and that, and Easter and all of that sort of stuff. I'm hoping you can hear us, because I know all you can hear is workmen. Not the greatest, is it? I will be going along that way in a minute, and he's obviously cutting the grass on the bowling green. But down here, this is the only bit I can get down. At the bottom of here is the bandstand, so I'm going to show you that, because from the other side where I go you can't see it. It's just like, you know, don't know what that house is. Get gang of kids there. Gang of kids there. I used to be one of them once. Don't know when that was like. It's toilets. Yeah, miniature railway. I see them banks are too steep. Going right down there is too steep. But this is the bandstand. I need to go the other side of this bin. Don't need the bin, do you? But it's pretty cool, isn't it? There used to be, when I was young, there used to be a set of swings and stuff like that down there. But obviously that was a long time ago. But it's very pretty. Just hang around down here when I was young, as you did. So that path there takes you to the beach, but it's just too steep, and I'd love to go down there. Roker Beach is so nice. And that path up there, which is pretty steep, takes you to the children's park now, the one that's there now. But I mean, I'm a bit out for that now. I don't know, like, I'd still have a gun on the swings. You so would, wouldn't you? I mean, you never get old, do you? Right, so I'm going to go back up this way that I came down. Again, that's too steep. And I will catch you in a bit. Alright. Got no clue who that was. I'm assuming I didn't know them. Hey, that's dodgy. Morning. The wind blew a lot here since I was last year. It was just clean not that long ago. But we've had a lot of really bad winds. I think these two are just cleaning themselves. Not really bothered. Pigeons are around. All the ducks are right up there, most of them. And there's a load of baby seagulls, I think these are. And I don't know. It's too busy cleaning themselves up here. So that piece of grassed area over there is where them two dogs are, is where Jasper usually plays when we come here. If you follow that path up there to right round, it takes you to the front. This is used to be a fountain, or a water fountain, you know, and it was erected here in 1880 when the park opened. The land was given to us. I think it's written on the other side. You can't really see that its head's facing the other way. Yeah. This memorial is further intended gratefully to keep in memory that the fact that Sir H. Williamson Bar and the whatever that is. I don't know, I cannot read. And not without glasses either. It's a good job you can zoom in this, but I can't see because of the light. Gave 17 acres of land for the purpose of forming this public park and pleasure ground for the free use of people of Sunderland forever. It's pretty cool. Anyway, I'm going to go around the pond bit, show you a bit of that. So I'm at the other side now of the park, and there you can see the bandstand through there, and this is more of like a height, and if you follow this path out, like I said when I was by the fountain, then you come to like the main coast road, with where the beach is, where the seaside is. But at Roker side I can't get down because it's too steep. But I can go like further down, like the coast road to Seaburn. I can get nearer, but I'm like, you know, I can't get right down. I'd love to go on the beach again. Be like so cool to be able to just go back down, like just walk in the sand and stuff. You know what I mean? Anyway, I'll just leave this. Beautiful. It's beautiful. Lived here for several years while we worked on it. Nice place to live, isn't it? So I've just come up into the back lane, right? Because behind here is I'm gonna go over the cobbles as usual. But wait. It's fun not. So yeah, as I was saying, is behind here is like a Roker hotel, and I got told there was like some statues along here, so I kind of wanted to have a look and see if I can find them. It's amazing, like you can live somewhere and not know things exist. That's just a back lane. So that's a Roker hotel there. Oh, there they are, look. That's not that far up, is it? It's a lion. There's a lion. And a second lion. That's the parking thing. Let's go around. Oh. There's some in there. Can you see them? I don't know if I can get a better view. No, I don't think so. That's just a car park. I don't think there's anything further around here. No, it's just a car park and stuff. Gins. Oh, it's Poetic License. There's a bar. So that's a car park. I'm not even sure if I'm meant to be around here, but hey. See if I can get a better view of these. Pretty, isn't it? There. You can see. I wonder how long they've been there for. Look pretty tarnished, don't they? There's another one just behind the tree bit, and I can't really show it. No, it's like a lion head with two they'd be classed as cherubs or babies. Right there. And then she's there. It's very cool. So there's the other one. I'm just gonna go up here. Someone's got a what are them things called? I just totally forgot what it's called. Where they fly up above you and that, and I don't know, brain's not working. So yeah. Back lane. I think I'm going up a bank here. It's like someone's sitting on there. Don't know, I should go back. I don't know if that's going to be too bad. Oops. I'm smashed. That's going to be too steep, so I'm going to go back this way. So I don't end up getting lost. Stuck up there. Not getting lost. I'm glass. Coloured glass windows is nice. That's the back of the Roker Hotel. But then that's poetic license. And it's kind of all confusing along here. All confusing. So it says the Roker Hotel on it as well. And this is the parking for it. So that's all the back of this is the Roker Hotel. And poetic license is part of it. You know what I mean? I don't know. I don't even know. Just waffling for the sake of waffling. I'm going to go back onto the front, and then I'll show you. To show you the beach. You've seen it 600 times. Well, maybe not 600 times, but yeah. I've got to go back over these bits and oh, I always forget. Oh my, there you go. Entertainment value for that. So yeah, I'm going to go back down to the front. I'm pleased I went right in the back of there. Like them statues. They're probably, I mean, I don't know how long they've been there. I mean, I suppose a few years worth could get them in a bit of a state, but I never knew they existed, so that's cool. I'm going to cross this road and then I'll show you the front. I always find it weird how this crossing bit like faces outwards, like into the road. It's weird. Like, I didn't really want to go into the road, thanks. Right. So. Christ almighty. So I'm gonna cross over this bit, I think. I hate roads. Right, I'm going to turn you off and I'll be back in a second. Right, I've crossed over the road, so it looks canny. This is my eye level. It's a great view, isn't it? So I have to like look up. I was so busy along here, the noise. So over there was where I was behind, you know, when I just poetic license and the Roker Hotel, which is just over there. So, giving you a view of the beach from my level. It's great, isn't it? See, this is the bit I can't get down now. This is the bit I really want to go down because it's just lovely down there. I can see someone on a scooter down there, but I wasn't up there. This looks kind of industrial. In comparison to mine. So there's Poetic License and the Roker Hotel. They are next to each other, might be probably part of the same thing. It's nice along here though, really nice. Giving you a better view. I'll stop here and have a look. I don't like being here because again it's heights and me. As you can see, I couldn't get down there. It's just all, you know. Oh, that side either. But there's one long bank that comes all the way down. But it's just, I think I'd be alright coming down but not going back up, and that just freaks me out. It's just a shame because it's so nice, but shit happens, innit? So this is the bank. Now, yeah, I think it'll be fine going down, but I'm just worried I wouldn't get back up it. And it just puts us off, and like, I keep thinking, just try it, and then I'm like, no. But yeah, it's just a shame. So nice. So nice. I don't know why, but I can't seem to get that to zoom without blurring. Unless it's my eyesight that's blurring. I don't know. Anyway, yeah. One last look. It's the famous bungalow cafe. It's not really famous, it's just that I remember it from a kid. So I'm now on the way towards the Marina, and if you remember when I went down by the riverside, there was a bit where I couldn't get to, so I'm going to show you it from the top, because there's a bit that's open up at where you can see it further along here, so I'm going to show you it from there. And this is just all the road towards the coast, really. So let's see, it's quite busy along here, so hopefully you can hear us, and you know, it's simple enough. I don't know how many times I came down here as a kid, because we used to live just along the road, like right on this road further up. So I used to come down this way all the time, because as you did as a kid, down the beach. Well, when I was old enough, because I wasn't allowed. I think I was probably about 13, maybe 12, 13 when I was allowed. But yeah, so I can't get down that way because it's just steps, but that's a way down to the Marina. Apparently there's a really nice restaurant down there called the Marina Vista, but I can't go down there to find out if it is any good. So if you see where them big tower, like skyscrapers are, no, we call them skyscrapers, but they're probably tiny in comparison to like ones that you see like in big built up cities and stuff. But like obviously I always knew them as a skyscraper when I was a kid, so that stuck in my brain. But yeah, that's where we used to live, not in them. There was some buildings beside it, well, maisonettes, that's the word then, but it was a lovely place to live growing up as a kid, you know. It's just ideal. So just coming up on the right, left, yeah, the left. I wasn't looking at my hands, not good. It's the Marina. So pretty, isn't it? I'd love to get down there, but I can't get down. It's just all a bit steep for me, but it's very nice. It's like 2 people in a canoe or something, isn't it? Can you see that? Oh, we're actually not blaring this time. In a canoe. Right, little boat. We don't see where we're going anywhere, is it just me? Yeah. But it's really pretty. And as part of that trail that I did before, I don't know if you can see the bird. So the bird's there, they're part of it as well, but it's not. Obviously, like I said, I can't get down this bit, so I never got a chance. But it's pretty nice. Oh look, there's a boat going out, and there's a bigger boat behind, and another one. There's a couple in there over there, isn't it? But yeah, it's really nice. Right, I'm going to zoom back out and go further along. There's a more open bit further, I think. So I'm gonna make my way home now, I think, because I've got to go right up the top of the street there, and my legs are starting to sting off this sling because the edging digs in. So yeah, I'll take you along a bit further, I think, and just speed it up or something. Hello everyone, it's actually the next day. I'm just editing this video and I realised I did not do an ending. Apologising for the bit of blurredness that is in this. It's not very much. I did cut a lot of it out. I didn't even notice it was blurred until I was zooming in. So it just goes to show how good my eyesight is, doesn't it? Anyway, I really hope that you've enjoyed it. I'm really enjoying doing these. It's great for me mentally, and so I'm just worried when I run out of places to get to. But for now, yeah, I'll just keep making more. So thankful, I can't speak. Thank you very much for watching. Please like, subscribe and all that stuff, and comment below, and I will catch you next time. Bye bye now.